Epithelial tissue functions: absorption, excretion, filtration, secretion. Protection. Sensory reception. Characteristics of epithelium. Cellularity. Tightly packed cells. Formed sheet. Little extracellular materials. Specialized contacts. Tight junction. Desmosomes. Characteristics of epithelium. Polarity. Apical surface. Upper surface exposed to the outer environment. Specialized structures. Microvilli. Basal surface. Lined with basal lamina. Thin membrane. Apical. Surface. Basal. Surface. Basal. Lamina. Characteristics of epithelium. Supported by connective tissue. Basement membrane. Basal lamina. Composed of glycoproteins. Reticular lamina. Composed of collagens. Tougher than basal lamina. Resists stretching. Define epithelial boundary. Characteristics of epithelium. Innervated. Nerve endings. Avascular. Utilizes nutrients diffused from blood vessels underlining connective tissue. Highly regenerative. Many epithelial cells are exposed to extreme external environment. Classification of epithelia. Based on the number of cell layers. Simple. Stratified. Simple epithelia. Absorption/filtration. Stratified epithelia. Extreme environment. Classification of epithelia. Based on the shape of cells. Squamous. Flat, scalic cells. Cuboidal. Box-like cells. Height/width equals 1. Columnar. Tall, column-like cells. Shape of the nucleus. Reflects cell shape. Simple epithelia, simple squamous epithelium, flat cells. Looks like tiled floor. Found in tissues involved in rapid exchange of materials. Lungs. Kidneys. Simple epithelia, special simple squamous epithelia, endothelium. Inner lining of blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. Extremely thin. Mesothelium. Membrane that covers chest and abdominal cavity and organs found in these cavities. Simple epithelia, simple cuboidal epithelium, cube-like cells. Found in tissues involved in secretion and absorption. Kidneys. Simple epithelia, simple columnar epithelium, tall, column-like cells. Found in digestive tract. Absorption. Secretion. Goblet cells produce protective mucus. Ciliated. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Cells vary in their height. Tallest cells interact with external environment. Shorter cells serve as reserves. False appearance of stratification. Location of nuclei within the layer. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Involved in secretion and absorption. Ciliated. Removal of particles within the air. Stratified epithelium, multiple layers of cells, more durable. Cells in lower layers. Replacement. More durable. Protective covering. Stratified epithelia, stratified squamous epithelium, most widespread. Cells on the apical surface. Squamous. Basal cells. Cuboidal or columnar. Different cell viability. Stratified epithelia, stratified squamous epithelia. The outer layer, epidermis. Keratinized in skin because of protective protein called keratin. Stratified epithelia, stratified cuboidal epithelium. Very rare. Found in large glands, sweat, mammary. Usually contains 2 layers of cells. Stratified columnar epithelium. Only its top layer contains columnar cells. Transition epithelium. Found in organs that stretches. Urinary bladder. Basal cells. Columnar or cuboidal. Apical cells. Vary in appearance depends on how much distension the organ undergoes. Transition epithelium. Changes in number of cell layers as the organ distends. 6 to 3 when the bladder stretches with urine. Apical cells flatten and look like squamous cells. Glandular epithelial glands. Composed of cells involved in production and secretion of product. Fluid-like. Proteins. Lipids. Secretion. Active process.